Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, The Nth Drives.
So today I have purchased this Dashcam 70 mAh from Amazon during the Great Indian Festival. So it costed me around 10,600 rupees, and with some SBI card discount there is one more 1,000 rupees off on this product. So around approximately you will get it at 9,600 rupees. But again, it is during Amazon Great Indian Festival sale in 2023. Okay, and now let me unbox this product and show you what are the things inside, and then we will install it in our car and show it a full review after particular usage. Okay, so let me wrap this out. So this is how the box looks like, and this one also I have taken along with the product itself. It's basically a 128 GB Samsung microchip. So this was suggested by most of the people, and there is also one more brand, so I've taken this one. And let me open this up and see the contents inside. So basically this product comes with two cameras, the front and the rear one, and this has got an app and also dual recording and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS as well. And they also say that this has got ADAS function, which is kind of I'll let you know in the next videos. It's not a proper ADAS, but I'll talk about it later. Let's just open it up. We have some cables here, and then installation stickers for front, and this is for back, and there is some paperwork. These are the actual cameras. So this one is the front camera. So this is basically adjustable. I mean, you can rotate as per the angle of the main windshield after you stick to it. Okay, and this is how it looks, and it is basically very small. I mean, I haven't thought that this will be this much kind of tiny. It's almost a size of the GoPro apart from this part. Okay, and this is the rear camera. So this is also tiny. The branding 70 mAh and the cables, and nothing else. Let's just put all this aside and open the cords and all the other stuff which they have given inside.